All right, guys, so as we all know that we need to get some gas fee into our Memefi account in order for us to be able to swap whenever they airdrop. All right, so how do you buy gas fee into your Memefi account? It's very simple. So I'm going to walk you through that in this video. First thing, come to your wallet right here. When you come to wallet, click on it. So from your wallet, you're going to see that you have a 0 here and you need to fund this, which is Ethereum ETH. So if I click on ETH, okay, if I click on it, you will see deposit and withdraw. So click on this deposit. So when you click on this deposit, you are going to see this is your address and this is the button right here to copy your address, and this is a linear, all right, linear address. Make sure you deposit your tokens to the correct address and network, which is linear network. All right, this is it. All right, so how do we buy this ETH coin and linear network? So I'm going to walk you through that. So let's go back. If I click on back, all right, so right back here, what I want to do is to go ahead to Bybit application. If you don't have Bybit account, I'm going to drop the link in the description box of this video. Use the link to sign up on Bybit. This is my affiliate link. All right, when you use the link, you're also going to get a bonus from Bybit. So let's go to Bybit. So if I minimize and add on to my own Bybit account, and my account is verified, so sign up right now using the link in the description. And make sure you verify your account using your NIN, using your international passport or voter's card. I think BVN also can do it. So once you sign up your Bybit, make sure you're on the exchange part of it and you verified your account already. So make sure you're on the exchange. So right here, click on more. When you click on this more button, you are going to see more services. So under more services, you are going to see what we call P2P trading, which is peer-to-peer trading. So click on it, peer-to-peer trading. So from here, make sure that you have select NG here. All right, so this is buy. Buy means that you have some money in your bank account and you want to exchange your money from your bank account for a crypto. All right, so you want to get a crypto, which may be USDT, Ethereum, BNB and all. You want to get them, but you have money in your bank account. That means you are buying from all these vendors. This sell means that, okay, you have some crypto in this exchange, which is Bybit. You want to exchange that crypto for cash. You want somebody to give you cash and give them crypto. You come to sell. You are selling your crypto for the vendors. Now that we want to buy, so I'm gonna click here. I just want to filter my buying first. I'm gonna click on amount. So I'm going to, let's say I want to buy 200,000. Okay, I'm gonna put 200,000. Then once I put 200,000, I'm going to click on confirm. Why am I doing this? I'm doing this so that it's going to give me vendors that are selling up to 200,000 or some that are selling from 200,000 upward. So instead of searching, looking for somebody that will sell 200 up to worth of 200,000 for me, this will help me to filter them. So I'll click on confirm right now. So once I've confirmed it, then the next thing I want to do is make sure that you're on USDT. I can also buy Ethereum direct, but because I needed USDT to also do one or two things, I'm gonna buy USDT then convert to ETH. So now they are giving me people, see this guy is online but is ineligible because maybe he has offended, he has done something wrong. This guy is also online and he has done 2,877 orders. Okay, and he's selling from 1,596 naira 5 kobo per USDT. That means per dollar. So what I need to do is to just go ahead and click on buy from this guy. So when I click on buy from this guy, I'm just going to put 200,000 right here. Again 200 because I'm buying 200,000. So once I put 200,000, my 200,000 will give me 125 USDT. So what I need to do is to click on buy. So when I click on buy, all right, this is what you need to see. The amount I'm buying, 200,000, the price, the guy at which this guy is selling per one, then total quantity of what I'm going to get, then then I can see the seller name. All right, so what I need to do next is just go ahead and click on this part to see what the guy is saying. Contact seller. So some of them will say you should drop your phone number and all before they can release. So you say, read me, fast payment, fast release, important, please confirm payment before clicking payment completed. Ready to release. If you saw my ad, I am ready to release your coin promptly. Then it says payment notice, avoid cryptocurrency reference, e.g. Bitcoin, all of this. And don't put it when you're sending the money from your bank. Don't just leave the remark. So this guy did not say drop your phone number, so we're good to go with this guy. So what we need to do is to go back, right, click on this back. Now that we've seen what the guy is saying, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on pay now. So once I click on pay now, I'm going to see the this is bank number, which is this, and this is bank. You can see bank branch, Nigeria, bank name, money point. So I'm going to hit this small button after this bank number, which is to copy the bank number. So you can see copy successfully. So once I copy it, I'm going to minimize and go to my bank. So I'm going to quickly go to my my OPay. So click on OPay. Already I funded the money in my OPay just to use it for this tutorial. So right now I'm going to go ahead and click on bank. All right, so once I click on bank, then I'm going to put paste, just long press on the enter 10 digits right here. So I'm going to click on paste right now. So it's going to show me bank. So if it's not bringing the bank, just select bank. I'm going to click on select bank. Then I'm going to search for money point, but normally it's supposed to bring money point, but since it's not bringing, no problem. I've searched for money point, and this is name Ogbomodia Nicholas Kingsley. So I'm gonna go ahead, go back to that place and check if the name tallies with this. All right, so right there I'm gonna check right here. You can see Kingsley Ogbomodia Nicholas, you can see right here. So I'm gonna go back here, click on it, then next I'm gonna click on next. Once I click on next, just to transfer the money, then I'm gonna put the amount here, which is 200,000. Then remark, it says I should leave remark. I should not put Bitcoin, crypto, anything relating to that, so that they will not ban his account. So all I need to do right now is to just click on confirm from my bank. Once I confirm it, I'm gonna click on continue. Then I'm gonna input my password. All right, I'm gonna click pay before password. So once I click pay, so I'm just going to use my thumbprint. All right, so once I do that, then the money is going to go. So now I've successfully transferred the money, and I can click on done. Once I'm done with that, see, I only have 319 naira remaining. So I'm going to minimize and go back here. Once I go back to this part, I'm going to hit payment completed. So once I click on payment completed, I'm going to say I understand, then I confirm, I understand, I confirm, and I confirm again here. So once I've done that, I'm going to wait for the guy to release the coin. Once they release the coin, then we're going to continue. So I'm going to wait for, you can see the guy has 9 minutes to do all of what he wants to do and confirm his bank. If I have sent the money into his bank, once he confirms that, he's going to release it. Many times, if I have sent my money and I'm waiting for it, I can click on contact again and just write something right here that hello, I have made the payment. All right, just to alert the guy, then click send that to him. Then I'm going to just go back, click on back. All right, so I'm going to come back once this guy release the coin. So now that the guy has released the coin, you can see from here completed. So I'm going to click on done. So once I click on done, click back again until I get to the last back, click back again. So I need to convert just a little portion of it to ETH, which is Ethereum that we want to use for the gas fee. So I'm going to click on spot right here. So if I click on spot, and I'm going to see all of these things. Don't worry if you don't understand these things. It's very simple. Some people will say you should convert it from here, but converting it from here would take small amount of your money. So what I actually do is to come to convert here. You can see convert here. click on it. When you click on that convert, so right here you are going to select the coin, the one that you have money in, which is USDT. I'm going to select USDT. So I click on BTC, then look for USDT, which is this that I have some money in. Click on it, then right here I'm going to select ETH. All right, so I click on this BTC again, and I will look for ETH. If I cannot see ETH, if it's, I can search from here. So I'm click search, then I'm gonna put ETH, then click on the first one. Now that I've selected ETH, I'm just going to say okay, I want to convert small amount of my USDT to my ETH. So I'm going to put the amount I want to convert, let's say $3 of or $2 ETH. If I say $2 ETH, they are still going to remove some charges. So let me say $2.5 ETH. 2.5 is what I want to send to my wallet. So now that I've said 2.5, and you can see the amount of ETH I'm going to get, 0.000742112. All right, that is the amount of ETH I'm going to get. But if I say 2.7, I'm also going to get 0.00080,149. So I'm going to do 2.7. Then I'm going to click on quotes. Right now that I've clicked on quotes, I'm just going to confirm it before this countdown ends. So I'm going to click on confirm, and automatically it's going to convert this portion, small portion, which is the $2.7 to ETH. So now I can click on back. You can see conversion completed. So I'm going to click on back. Once I click on back, it's very simple. Then I'm also going to go back again, click back. Then right now you can see that interface again. I don't need it, so I'm going to come to assets, click on assets. When you click on assets, then the next thing you want to click on fund, funding right here. Once you click on funding, then you can see your USDT. You can then see your ETH, which is this $2.66. So right now I have my ETH here. We're going to go back to our Memefi and do the copying of the address. So I'm going to minimize it and come to my Memefi. So we're not using this one again. I can close this one, then close this one, click on it. So I'm going to click on that wallet. So once you click on wallet, then I'm going to click on that ETH. All right, ETH, the deposit, you remember. Then I'm going to copy this address with this button. So once you copy the address, you can say copy to Clipper. Then I'm going to minimize again and go back to my Bybit. So right here from Bybit, I'm going to click on the ETH. Right, click on ETH. So right here from my ETH, you can see what I have here. So I'm just going to go a little bit and just go ahead and pick this one that say withdraw. So I'm going to click on that withdraw. Then once I click on withdraw, the next thing I want to do right here is to make sure I paste that address that I copied. So I'm going to long press there and paste that. Click on paste. Once I paste that, then I'm going to select the network. Don't forget the network name is linear. All right, which is this. You can see linear network. You can see network linear. All right, so I'm going to go back to that place. So I'm going to select network. So we're going to look for linear, which is the second one. So we're going to click on linear. Remember, linear has a fee. So let's go back to that. Linear is going to charge me 0.66 from that money. So click on linear again. So right now I'm going to just click on max because I'm sending everything out. I want to send everything. I will click on max. Once I click on max, then I'm going to click on this button that says withdraw. Once I click on withdraw, it's going to ask me to confirm it. Once I confirm it, it's going to ask me for my password. So go ahead and put your password. But before, if you just register your Bybit, you need to set up your funding password. So it's going to ask you to set up your funding password. So I'm going to put my own password right here now, and also put this Google authentication password right here also. So I've put my password and Google authentication. I'm going to click on confirm. All right, so once I click on confirm, then I'm just good to go. So I can click on OK, So once I click on OK, I can just go ahead and click on back, then click on back again. Then from here you can see I have 122 now out of 125, and you can see from my ETH I have nothing in there. So I'm going to go back to my Memefi and confirm if I have received the money. So I'm going to go to Memefi. So this is Memefi. I'm just going to go ahead and go check it. Click on back. Then once I click on back from here, I'm just going to go ahead and click on wallet again. So if I click on wallet again, so you can see I have received the money, which is $2. Okay, $2 is right here, and you can see here. So that is how to fund your account. You can watch the video again and again for you to understand. And if you also want to know how to buy ton, you can just drop it in the comment section that I should also do a video to show you how to buy ton and send it to your ton wallet, maybe 𝐃𝐈𝐆𝐈𝐓 or my ton wallet account. I'm also going to show you how to do that also. It's very simple, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now. If today is the first time coming across my video, thank you so much for coming. I really appreciate that. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. Also, when you click on the subscribe button, you can also click on this part again to turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my updates. And also, if you've gotten value so far from this video, go ahead and like this video. When you do that, it gives me joy. You can also drop your comment here, and also all the links will be provided in the description box of this video. You can click on more to see all the links right here, and click on more again to see all the links.